For years, financial advisors held the keys to the kingdom. If you wanted a plan for retirement, investments, or long-term wealth, you booked a meeting, sat in an office, and hoped the advisor understood your goals better than you did. They charged their percentage, you trusted their judgment, and that was the system. But today something new is emerging, something faster, cheaper, and terrifyingly efficient. Robo-advisors. And the question on everyone's mind is simple. Will they replace human financial advisors? To understand the shift happening right now, you have to understand what a robo-advisor actually does. It's not a robot sitting in a chair giving you advice. It's a highly intelligent algorithm trained to manage your money with mathematical precision. It analyzes your income, spending, goals, age, risk tolerance, and then builds a portfolio that adjusts automatically. It rebalances without emotions. It optimizes without hesitation. And unlike human advisors, it never gets tired, never gets biased, and never has a bad week. The biggest advantage robo-advisors bring is objectivity. Humans make financial decisions based on fear, pride, overconfidence, impatience, emotions that destroy wealth. But algorithms don't care about headlines or hype. They follow data, not drama. They operate with pure logic. And that's exactly why so many people are shifting toward them. They want consistency, they want transparency. They want results without the ego. But here's where the story gets interesting. Robo-advisors don't just compete with human advisors. They expose the flaws in the traditional system. Many advisors relied on vague explanations and complicated jargon to justify their fees. They positioned themselves as gatekeepers. But now, a $10 a month AI platform can run deeper analysis than most humans can produce in an hour. That changes the power dynamic. When people realize they can access the same level of portfolio design and risk modeling at a fraction of the cost, the entire industry feels the pressure. Still, there's a reason human advisors haven't disappeared. People want reassurance. They want someone to explain their strategy in plain language. They want someone who understands their life, their fears, their aspirations, their personal story. Money is emotional, and humans still trust humans when the stakes feel high. A robo-advisor can calculate the perfect portfolio, but it can't look someone in the eye and tell them they'll be okay in retirement. This is where the future becomes clear. Robo-advisors won't erase financial advisors. They will expose the weak ones and elevate the strong ones. Advisors who only offer generic investment plans? They will lose to algorithms. Advisors who rely on outdated methods? They will be replaced. But advisors who evolve, who use AI to enhance their strategies, speed up analysis, and eliminate human error, those advisors will dominate. The winners in this new landscape will be the hybrids. Humans who understand finance, communication, and behavior. Backed by AI that handles the heavy lifting quietly in the background. That combination will outperform any standalone human and any standalone algorithm. So will robo-advisors replace financial advisors? Not entirely. But they will force the industry to evolve faster than ever. The advisors who refuse to adapt will fade. The ones who embrace AI will thrive. And consumers? They'll get better service, better transparency, and better outcomes than any previous generation. Because the future of wealth management isn't human versus robot. It's humans finally teaming up with technology powerful enough to remove the guesswork from money. And once you experience that level of clarity, you never go back.